you just said yes to following Jesus? Well, next steps will be for you. This is a 3-part course starting on Thursday, the 5th of March. It's a couple of Thursdays where we walk you through the foundations of Christianity and what church looks like and how you can grow, belong, and get involved in things here. We'd love for you to be a part of this to build that foundation of your faith after saying yes to Jesus. So if you're a new believer and you feel like this is the next step for you, join the course and you can sign up online and get more information.
You'll bring me through, tell me who I need to be, tell me where I need to go, like
Here at Excel Church, we're going to be running an academy course called the Excel Leadership Academy. This is for anyone who's interested in growing in their character, their confidence and their calling. We want to be developing emerging leaders here at Excel Church through mentorship, through training and through hands-on ministry experience. We want to be developing emerging leaders. Could that be you? If you feel like God might be stirring something with you with this area, then we'd love for you to take part in this course. There's an application process where you can apply online and up to 12 people will be picked for this specific academy. So if that's you, head to the website to get some more information. Excel Church, we've got some missions coming up and we've got info nights for you. In September 2026, we are going back to Spain again, in the north of Spain, to join in with what God's doing over there. Could you join us? And in May 2027, next year, we'll be making a trip out to Uganda again to help the Watoto's Children Choir over there and all the work they are doing for children and communities. So could you be a part of one of those trips? Well, we've got an info night happening on Thursday the 5th of March. We're going to have the one about Spain from 7 till 8 p.m. and then following on from that will be 8 till 9 p.m. for the Uganda information. You can come for one of those meetings or both. You'll hear stories, you'll hear real experiences over there, you'll hear about what God's doing, and you'll be asked the question, do you want to take part? Why not come along to get a bit more information? There's no commitment, but just get the information and see what God's doing and how you could join in what He's doing around the world. So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget this Wednesday is our release where we do prayer and Bible study, so do come along and join us Wednesday evening for that. Have a great week, guys.